Everyone, this is Hunyah Travel, and today I'm going to be making holiday wings for the holiday season of 2021. Really easy recipe. Recipe you need is some wings, and all you need is some paprika and cinnamon sugar. So let's get started. Add in the paprika, lots of it, and then add in cinnamon sugar. The cinnamon sugar, lots of it, because you want it with a holiday flavor. Mix the wings. So just thoroughly mix the wings, the paprika and the cinnamon sugar. And now they're ready to be air fried. Time to set up the air fryer. So I set the air fryer to 25 minutes and now it's ready. To put in the wings, so it goes in like this and put these in like this. And put in the remaining seasoning on top like this. This, and it's ready to go inside now and let that cook. Time to flip the wings. And just flip them by sides. And you can see that they're already halfway cooked. Wings are halfway cooked, looking like this. Time to put the wings back in and let them cook for another 8 minutes. Now it's ready to take out the wings in a few minutes. Are ready. Add in the dressing. So add in a little bit of chicken steak sauce. And a lot of cinnamon sugar. Time to shake the wings. So put the lid on, just shake it like this. And it's done. So just put them onto the plate. And these are some holiday wings. So just put them in. Wings are ready, so please watch and subscribe to Hunyah